this weekend that we're holding can shine a light on all those parts of us that have been denied or shut down or pushed aside. Those parts that have been hidden have got room to come alive and be integrated and expressed beautifully. And it doesn't have to be cathartic or big, or, it can be a graceful, beautiful meeting of ourselves.
The gentle work is the profound work.
Yeah, we're working with the subtle. And as you say, it's not this crash and burn kind of experience. I think if people watching this are wondering what's going to go on in the workshop, actually we don't know yet, to be honest. However, I think we've got a fair idea that there's not going to be a lot of tips and tricks, right? Yes, there'll be practices, but we're moving into more subtle experiences. That, yes, it's a solo journey. It's not about how to, there won't be massage techniques, for example, or these sorts of relating skills specifically, although you'll come out the other side probably with more of a sense of yourself in who you are and what you bring and what you attract and what you transmit to the world.
And so we'll be working more with how do we truly become in tune with my authentic frequency so that can then emanate into the world and be reflected back to me. And then the world around us starts to look more beautiful to us. And that doesn't mean that it needs to look a certain way, because everyone has a different frequency and everyone wants their world to look slightly different. And that is the invitation, that everyone is unique and the world that they see stays completely unique. The last thing we're trying to do is make everyone think the same by the end of the retreat, other than the fact that they are fucking magnificent human beings and that they just have full permission to be that.